At first, switch off the phone. Then, eject the SIM card. Now turn on the phone and dial *#06#. Your IMEI number will show up here, note it down. Now let's go to simneverlock.com. Input your IMEI number. Input your email address. Then click on Unlock. You have to wait till the process is done. Verify the CAPTCHA. Now you have to complete one of these survey or install an app. I have already completed the survey and installed the app in my phone. Now, insert SIM card again into the phone. Here you can see my SIM card is active now.